everyone! Today I will be showing you the defining variables video. So in this experiment I'm going to show you what dependent, independent, and constant variables are and show you them through an experiment. So a dependent variable is the factor in an experiment that changes as a result of the manipulation of the independent variable. So what that means is the dependent variable is measured. So you as a scientist are going to be measuring the dependent variable. The independent variable is the factor in the experiment that is altered by the experimenter. The independent variable is purposefully changed or manipulated. So this is the thing that you as a scientist are changing in your experiment. So you're going to be determining what your independent variable is. And your constant variable or variables are ones that do not change in an experiment. So, as an example, I'm going to show you one of my favorite things to watch. So, you guys have seen the volcano experiment thing. So this is all the science that's behind that experiment. So what I'm going to do is my constant variable is going to be my baking soda. I'm measuring out baking soda. So I'm going to pour it into this bowl and measure out 2.5 milliliters of baking soda. Next, I'm going to measure out my independent variable. For me, my independent variable is vinegar. My first trial, I'm going to use 50 milliliters of vinegar. And my dependent variable is going to be the reaction that I see. So, I'm going to take this vinegar and pour it in. As you can see, the bubbles came up to about this line here. And that means I had about a half cup reaction. When doing this in another trial, you could use 125 or 150 or 10 milliliters of vinegar. But you always have to use 2.5 milliliters of baking soda, since that's your constant variable and your vinegar is your independent variable. Notice how we measured the height of our reaction. That's because that's the dependent variable, the one that you measure in the experiment. Thank you for watching the defining variables experiment with me today. See you next time.